recoverable. So what are we going to see is, we'll go to a Gmail account, we'll open a Yahoo account which we already made. Now from Yahoo, we will send an email, we'll compose an email, we'll send it to a Gmail account. Now Gmail person whose account this is going to reply to the person who has sent it from Yahoo. So first mail will come from Yahoo, Gmail is going to reply. Now we will forward it also. The same mail which we got from Yahoo, we will forward it to multiple recipients. This also we'll see. So see, what we are going to do here is, we are going to send the email, we are going to receive the email and forward the email. So we will use two emailing service or two email service provider. So first we'll open Gmail. So since I've already logged in, so it will come directly. If you're not logged in, you have to put the username and password. Then we will open a Yahoo. As I said, I already logged in. So these are two different email accounts which I made just for demonstration purpose. Now I'm composing a mail from Yahoo and we will send it to Gmail. Gmail will receive this email and we will reply it. We will reply the email and we'll see what reply we have got in Yahoo. As I said, same folders, almost same working or workability is there. User interfaces are almost same. So you'll see the folders almost similar. Some names might have been changed, but all the facilities these two email service providers are giving. So we are now composing. So let me do some two, and we'll send it to mail, write a subject, and we'll attach also something. So let's suppose that we have actually, when we were making the Gmail account, we made this for testing that you already seen in the earlier discussions. So now we will be sending the mail. So we have put it on in two. Now HD I just gave, you have to write a proper language. Email is a proper, say, formal service. So you have to use formal language. HD I wrote it for Happy Diwali. Now hi, I'm just writing just for demonstration. So this is not a formal way I'm writing, but it has to be very formal. Please remember, hi from Yahoo, regards. Now you can go to settings. You can add your permanent name, designation, mobile number, everything you can add here. Now, so we know whom to send. We have written the subject and the content also. Let us make it some color, give it some color. So just to show you that we can change the look and feel also, right? So I'm just giving it a green color just to let you know that we can change. Now I am attaching a file. So now I'm attaching a file. So we have already downloaded our image, that is Happy Diwali image. You will be sending the document which you want to send. I am sending it now. I have to send button. So when I send it, it has to come in inbox of Gmail. So I sent it. Your message has been sent. Let us come to send. Let us see whether we have sent it or not. So in send folder you see, yes, this is the exact same thing which we have sent. Right. So now it will take 1 or 2 minutes. Sometimes it may take less than that. It depends on clogging and network and bandwidth, everything is involved. So don't worry about that. Just refresh it. So it will come, or the most important thing is you don't have to refresh again and again. The emailing service have already inbuilt programming. So whenever the email come, it will be notified to you. It will come in bold. If you are on your, say, doing it on your mobile, there will be notification. So the mail is coming, let us see spam. Sometimes the mail is coming and it may go to spam. So sometimes if the mail is not coming for a long time, you must check spam folder also. So because the email has not come, I just went to spam. Sometimes the email service will identify it as a spam, that you didn't want it or it is from some vague or defaulter or so fraudulent activity. Now we have sent a mail from Yahoo to Google Gmail. We will be replying this email, and then also we are going to forward also. So two things, we are just waiting for that email to come, right? So as I said, inbox will have that email which we will be getting just now. This sent is for sending the mail. That is, whatever mail you have sent, it will come in send. It will be sent. Some email are important, so you can star it, means you will make it important. Then you can delete it also once you open the email. So it shouldn't take that much of time, but it will take time. It is very instant. If you send it from Gmail to Gmail, it is very, very fast, because we are using two different email services. So there are three tabs: primary, social, promotions. Promotions, some people have sent me, some companies have sent me. Okay, social is especially for the social networkings, etc. This primary is your main tab, so you have to worry about this primary. Okay, now see, we have got a mail. This is the mail. I refreshed it, and now it has taken some time. Now this is bold. That means the email has come. Until you read it, it will always be in bold. So now this is some name I have taken, and now let us open this. Okay, I don't want to read it, I just delete it. Sometimes the mail comes, I don't want to read it, so I delete it. But I want to read it, I will just open it. Same mail I have sent it from Yahoo. Now I will reply. So now I'll press a reply. I've opened the mail. So now I'm sending it to the sender. That is, I got it from Yahoo, I'll send it to Yahoo. So now when we have a reply, you see the mail which I received, the ID has already been placed here, but you can change it. You can add different emails. You can have multiple recipients. It is not only that you will reply to only one person, you can reply it to multiple. Now I am writing just to show you that, hi, reply from Gmail, regards. Please remember, this is the third time I am saying, email is a formal way. There is a proper email etiquettes we need to learn. You cannot just write like you are writing your friend. Even if you are writing to a friend, it will be because this is a letter. You won't write, you don't use letter for your friendship or dating, etc. This is a proper service. So be very cautious about this. Hope you are fine. See, hope you are well. This is the automatic artificial intelligence. I just typed hope you are well has already come, and I press a tab, and this hope you are well has come. Now there is a good facility. You just write 2 or 3 words, the whole sentence will come by itself. Okay, I'll do a mistake now. I have some software that's called Grammarly. You might use it. So now if I do some mistake, that will come. Okay, now I'm sending it to Yahoo. So I'll just send it. I didn't write any email. I didn't write any email address. I just replied it. Now let us see whether it comes here or not. So again, we have to refresh it if you want to see it instantaneously. Now this mail has come. This mail we have replied. So I just don't want this email later. I will delete it. I see that this email is actually not what I wanted. It is coming again and again. I will make it as a spam. Okay, delete, spam, all options are possible. Spam is what you don't want to see again. Deleted, what you will never want to see again. Okay, so this, when you reply, there are so many options. It is reply, it is forward. So let us forward it also. It is a whole, this discussion is a huge discussion, but let us see the basic ones. Now I want to forward it. So the whole information of the earlier mail is seen here. Now as I said, what we'll do is, because I don't have multiple recipient and I want to show it, so I will just forward it to the same Yahoo account. So I'll just forward it, just to let you know that when you open Yahoo, what will be seen. So I'm now sending it. So let us check whether the previous reply was received or not in Yahoo. Oh yes, it has come. Okay. Second email will come, that is we have forwarded. So one reply we have done, one forwarding we have done. Forwarding can also to be multiple recipient. Reply can also be to multiple recipient. So this has come. Hi, reply from Gmail. This we have already typed just now. And let us wait for some more time. I am waiting for my forwarded message. See, the forward messages has also come. Just click it, and you see in this forward message. In this message, all this original message, whatever content is there, you will see here. Okay. So these things which you see is receiving and sending and forwarding. Okay. So there are multiple options. I just encourage you to try all these basics I have discussed.